Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook vegan rice. Begin by selecting your preferred rice, whether it is fragrant jasmine or wholesome basmati, and remember that brown rice varieties will take a little longer. Gather your essential tools, including a medium-sized pot with a tight-fitting lid, a measuring cup for accuracy, and a trusty spoon. Now, let's move on to the next crucial step. Rinsing is a fundamental step to achieve perfectly cooked, non-sticky rice. Place your rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it thoroughly under cold tap water for about 1 minute, or until the water draining from the bottom is completely clear. For varieties like brown rice, soaking it for 30 minutes beforehand can significantly reduce its cooking time and improve its texture. Getting the water-to-rice ratio correct is essential for well-cooked rice. For many white rice types, use a simple 1:2 ratio, meaning 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Brown rice, however, typically requires a bit more liquid. Aim for 1 part rice to 2 and 1/4 parts water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. After the water begins to boil, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, ensuring a gentle simmer. Place the lid tightly on the pot to trap all the steam inside. Allow white rice to cook for about 15 to 18 minutes and brown rice for 30 to 40 minutes. After cooking, take the pot off the heat entirely and let it rest, still covered, for a crucial 10 minutes. Resist the urge to peek.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.